so you make a clover leaf pattern inside of that. And then your ribbon's gonna come out with all of those colors intertwined, but staying separate from each other. Which, hence the ribbon name.
It seems like a lot of paint.
It is a lot of paint.
Little tiny.
Yep, it seems like it. Okay, so with the flip, you start with a dry canvas.
Yeah.
Put it over there. And then we let it sit for a second so all the paint can go down. And then we want to put something down to move it when it comes off. So it won't stick to the dry canvas.
Oh.
Yep, and then when you tilt it, it'll just move for you.
Try the bullseye thing, hon.
What's that?
Try the bullseye thing.
What do you mean?
Nothing. Go.
I don't remember. Just put a little bit out there. You'll lose all that, but. All right, and in just a second, I'll pull it off. It has a little bit of a suction. You just want to pull straight up, and then might as well get all of it out of there. And let it sit for a second while it spreads and does its thing. And then,
That's kind of pretty.
isn't
That's
it?
really pretty.
Isn't it cool? I like the insides of the cups.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
Isn't it neat? All right, and then you just pick it up and move it around a little bit until it slides off the edge. And the slower you tilt, the more color you'll have on your spread. And you can stop tilting anytime you want.
Looks cool.
Cool
the way it
colors,
drips
Mom.
off, too.
Yeah, I like the sides.
Yeah, it's important that you get it to drip off of the sides as much as you can.
It looks like one of those purple rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah, like an agate
Like
or
a
an
geode.
inside,
Yeah.
So we'll capture
Okay, now
that.
you're getting a lot of cells.
Yeah, we got a lot of
Keep
stuff.
that eye.
I'm trying. The tilting is probably the most difficult part of the whole process, but that's it. And that is a painting.
That is really
Set it flat.
cool.